This fiery ring is the edge of a black hole, the point where light itself gets trapped. In 2019, humanity captured its first image of this cosmic monster. But what exactly is a black hole? Imagine crushing the sun into a city-sized orb. The gravity becomes so intense it warps space and time, creating a one-way exit from our universe. And this is just the beginning. Black holes are born from violence. When a star 20 times heavier than our sun dies, it doesn't fade. It implodes. In seconds, its core collapses into a singularity smaller than a marble, with gravity so strong it devours everything nearby. But not all black holes are tiny. At the Milky Way's heart lies Sagittarius A, a supermassive beast weighing 4 million suns. How? We're still figuring that out. Cross the event horizon, and physics gets weird. To outsiders, you'd freeze in time, but you'd feel tidal forces stretching you atom by atom. Spaghettification. Deeper in, time and space swap roles. Forward becomes inevitable. What's at the center? A singularity? A wormhole? Even Einstein's equations break down here. This is where our knowledge ends, and the true mystery begins. In 2015, scientists heard space-time ripple as two black holes merged. These gravitational waves proved Einstein right, but black holes still hide bigger secrets. Could they be portals? Wormholes? The math allows it, but the energy required is unimaginable. Yet each discovery, like the first black hole photo, brings us closer to unlocking the universe's darkest enigmas. Black holes aren't just destroyers, they're creators. They shape galaxies, spark star formation, and test our deepest theories. The 2019 photo took a global telescope network the size of Earth. Why? Because understanding black holes means understanding reality itself. As we peer into their abyss, we're forced to ask, what else is out there? And what secrets is the universe still hiding? The universe is full of secrets. Hit subscribe to uncover them all.